Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're trying out something new from the brand Shake and Go. It is from their 301 Freetress collection. Y'all know 301 is in my top preferred brands to use, so I'm really excited about this today. If you spend as much time as I do in the beauty supply store, then you've probably seen these colors floating around. I love these packs so much because they're so convenient and they offer some amazing color blends for you to choose from. The color blend we're using today is the brown ash one, and if I had to guess, it was a combo of 4, 27, 30, and 613, with just enough 613 to give you that ashy tone. The 301 hair is a super coarse textured hair, so it's great for those who have very fine textures because you need that texture for the grip. The bundles in each pack are super thick, so I actually only used one pack for this entire style today. I even had about a half a bundle left over. The pack I used was the 36-inch, 18-inch folded, but I have seen this particular brand in longer lengths. The style we're doing today is the mermaid braids. I posted a very detailed video about this look a few weeks back. I will link it in the description cards above. But for the newbies, mermaid braids are essentially a combination of tree braids and pick and drop braids, where we braid about an inch past the natural hair length, but we also leave bits and pieces of hair out as we move along, and then we mold the hair to whatever style liking we choose at the end. You can cut it, curl it, crimp it. It's also a more affordable option to the popular boho human braids, where you can get a full flowy look without breaking the bank. So yes, the entire style is synthetic, and in my opinion, a lot easier to maintain because synthetic hair holds its shape. Synthetic hair also does not absorb products, so there's no need for you to mousse it up every day. When you see people using a lot of mousse, that's really for their natural hair or their roots as their hair grows in. So again, I only used one pack of hair. I think it was like $8.99 or $9.99. So that really makes this a super affordable style that will last her at least 6 to 8 weeks. You'll also notice that I am doing C parts on her. I just posted a very detailed video showing this exact style and showing you guys how to do C parts like a pro. With these, I just split the head into 4 quadrants and I work on each quadrant, and I can manage my time much more effectively, and I got this done in under 4 hours. For the pieces I left out, I did about 3 to 4 pieces left out on each braid. And because this hair is so highly textured, I went in with my low temperature flat iron and I actually pressed out a lot of the pieces, because if you recall from our mermaid braid video, this is a crucial step in making sure that the style maintains its shape. Today we're also going to attempt a wolf cut, which I will post in a separate video because that was quite challenging. But in order to achieve that look, I wanted to make sure that the braids stopped as short as possible and they were layered. So you see how I stacked them here? Here is a more detailed look at how I completed each braid, so I will let this play out for you. To start the braid off, I added in about 2 pieces, and then as I moved along the braid, whenever I got to a leg in the middle that was short or thinning out, I just added a new piece to it and left the other leg of it out. To speed up the molding process, I dip the ends in hot water, but to get closer to those roots, I grabbed my travel steam iron, which has come in so handy if you are a travel braider, or if you have, in case of emergency, don't have access to water for whatever reason. This is a game changer, especially if you don't want your clients leaving dripping wet all the time. Not only is it small, handheld, and easy to use, it heats up super fast. I found so many uses for it already, especially with braids and locks and even my own clothes. So if you want to pick one up, I'll be sure to leave that link in the description box below. Because this hair is so highly textured, I was worried that it wasn't going to give me the same result as I normally do for this style. Also, the more textured the hair, the more likely it is to tangle. It is harder to run your hands through. But I must say, I was highly impressed. The flow of the hair was beautiful. The cut came out exactly how we wanted it. As of today, she's had this hair in about 3.5 weeks, and we have done a whole lot of summer water activities, and it has held up beautifully. And that's a lot considering that she struggles keeping her hair tied up at night. So again, we have not put any products in this hair. And look at that flow. This is my favorite part. I really want to do my own mermaid braids before I cut my hair again, because not only do I want a chance to experience this, I want to make sure I fully test this out for you guys. And here is the final look. So if you are a chocolate girly like my beautiful baby girl, this is your sign to go ahead and try that blonde girl. Not only is the color flattering on her beautiful melanin tone, the cut we gave her so much volume and almost made her look a little too grown. Alright, so let's recap. This is the Freetress 301 in the color brown ash. We only used one pack of hair in the 36-inch, 18-inch folded. I completed this in less than 4 hours. If you are struggling to increase your speed as a braider, we are posting a lot of videos recently to help you with navigating your time management. Remember, to gain speed, you need confidence, and in order to have confidence, you've got to practice. As always, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. Special thanks to Shake and Go for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out, and we'll catch you in the next video. Bye!